Hi, my name is Katie Uswell. I'm your child's seventh grade science teacher this year. And I thought I would make this video for parents so they know where their students are going each day so that it could be a little easier when they're talking to you about MobyMax and Schoology and Classlinks and all these terms. I want you guys to see them as well. So I'm making this video. I hope it makes things make a little more sense to you. So where I'm starting right now, this is Class Links. So this is our kind of jumping off point for all of the students each day. All of the apps that they use are in this Class Links. So it's one space that they go to. They are already logged in with their Google account to all of these different things. In science in particular, we're going to be using a couple of them. Schoology, obviously, that everybody is using that. We also use Think Central. This is our online textbook. Currently, the district is working on getting it all updated. So this will be our student textbook. MobyMax is a great place for science and math, and they also have literacy stuff as well. So some practicing things there. Other things that students need to know where they are or might be using, Microsoft Teams. This is the app. Most of the time, they will just follow a link, and as long as their Microsoft Teams account is logged in, they're good to go. I think, as far as I can see right now, these are the ones that they're mostly going to use. Also, anything related to the library, they can be found in this, and then library media. All right, so I'm going to go into Schoology. So Schoology is the new platform everybody is using all across the district, and it's a really, really popular one, even nationwide. I think eventually, once teachers know how to use it correctly and students know how to use it correctly, I think we're all going to really like it. It's just this is sort of a learning year for everybody. So when we get to Schoology, the first thing that your student will see is all their different courses. Now, for me, these are all the different courses that I teach, so that's what's showing up on my side. So each box should have a different picture that goes along with it in different class. So when your students log in, they'll click on their class. And for science, at the top, this is the button that they will click to join the Microsoft Teams meeting. Now, each class period has a set time that they are meeting. So you need to look at your child's schedule to see what class period they are in to see what time their meeting is. So my second period class on A day meets at 11 o'clock. So this link will work throughout the school year. They just need to click that and sign on each day at their designated time. All of their schoolwork can be found down here in the folder. So it is organized, and this will look a little different for me because I'm showing you my teacher view. The students will basically only see the things that they need to see right now. So I've divided it into weeks. Right now, you can kind of see these are grayed out so the students cannot see them. So I've divided it into weeks. So we are here in week 2. Each week, the first thing that will be in the folder is a weekly overview so the students can see exactly what assignments they're doing that day, as well as what they're doing in the next couple of days. So I tell them this is where they should always start. Then I will have a folder for each day in that week. If it is a week where we have 3 A days, there will be a Monday, a Wednesday, and a Friday folder. So this represents A days this week. So each day they have a folder and they are responsible for completing the work in that folder. So for Monday, today was not August 31st. This is Tuesday. Long day. So on Monday, yesterday, my students completed several things. They had a bell ringer assignment. They took a pre-test. They did a little hypothesis cubes activity and submitted it on Google or on Schoology. And then they started working on this assignment, the Scientific Method Station Lab. I'm going to show you what one of those assignments might look like for them and what I'm doing to help them along the way. So for this Scientific Method Station Lab, for instance, I have recorded instructions. I've made a video that will help them understand the process. So it's a video just like this. I'm recording my screen and walking them through how to do this assignment. The videos show up as attachments. So down here, you'll find attachments. So if you ever need to help your child and they're not sure what to do, you're not sure what to do, be sure you scroll all the way down to the bottom of their assignments and check out attachments. You would see a video there that you could download, and it explains how to complete this assignment. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my week 2 folder. And so I'm trying to keep it very organized where everything they need for that day is in that folder. Your students also have a calendar, and anytime a teacher assigns something in Schoology and they put a due date in it, it should show up on their calendar, which is this icon up here. Okay, so my students can see our time frames for our meetings. So my second period meets at 11 o'clock. My fourth period meets at 3 o'clock. So these meetings should show up on their schedule as well as when assignments are due. So hypothesis cubes is due Tuesday, or when it's due Wednesday. So your child's work should show up on a calendar as long as the teacher has put a due date on it in Schoology. Your child can also send their teacher messages. This is the messaging center. They would just need to click that open and type in the teacher's full name. It will populate, and then they can send messages to the teacher. So easy way for them to communicate with us. All right. Well, I know this is not a long video, but I hope that it helps kind of show where some things are and how to see sort of what your students are seeing. Your access codes, your parent access codes, were mailed out today. Today is Tuesday, September 1st, and it is through your child's 5th period teacher. So if you did not get the email, contact the office and they can give you your parent access code, which gets you your own account that is linked to your child's. So basically you can see what they're doing. All right, I hope this video helps. If you need more help, just send me a message on Schoology or email me. My email is, here's my first dot last name, katie.usewell@lrsd.org. All right, thanks guys.